sigo enamorando, regalando, te estoy comprando. Lo que usted mamita quiere. Ahora no estamos alejando, no te estoy viendo, no te apolando. Esta sola tú prefieres.
So, everyone, my name is Narciso. I'm from this HRN to Jigatit. Oops.
Wait lang ba? My name is Consumisi Garces. I am second year college.
As a consumer, which form of marketing do you find most effective? Social media, traditional marketing, and email or ads, and why?
For me is social media because I don't say kanang pwede mo siya i-post ikuan lang mo siya for example online shopping dali ra siya pwede ra ka mag-live para maka-sale ka o example kanang mga clothes or kuan ba pagkaon ba dali ra makita sa mga tao ba pwede ra ang yung live pwede ra i-share sa lain tao kung kita sa lain uban mura na ako.
Thank you.
Ikaw ra pre.
So, good afternoon everyone. My name is Narciso Rayong Jr. And this day is sharing to Chikanye.
I am Brian and I see one best CSP.
As a consumer, which form of marketing do you find most effective? Social media, traditional marketing, email, or ads, and why?
For me, mas prefer ko sa traditional marketing kay mas makuan mo gud mo mas makuan gud mo ang object bitaw ka nang ma-check gud mo ang quality niya, mga specs niya, para sa mong field mo palit kag laptop, di man ka maka-sure mo palit ka ng online kay passing day picky din na pag-abot nimo mas mo prefer gud ko sa traditional way sa balit sa laptop kay mato ka sa store mo check nimo ang specs gana ba yun siya marot to ba.
So, good afternoon everyone. My name is Narciso Ayoro from BSPA Isarimto, Chikanye.
I am Kristen Claire El Reyes from Human Resource third year level.
So, as a business student, which form of marketing do you find most effective? Social media, traditional marketing, and email or ads, and why?
For me as a marketing student, I prefer to choose the social media and the ads in terms of marketing. It's because technology is now evolving nowadays. So when we as a Gen Z and millennials, we tend to use everyday social media, and if we are using or opening some websites or other links, there's an ads that let us know what are the trends or the new things that are happening. So I prefer social media and ads for marketing.
Thank you.
Thank you.